Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a black screen during call on iPhone Air. If you have a black screen during call, I'm gonna show you that. Okay, I don't know if I can do it with a WhatsApp call. I'm gonna try. Okay. Now I'm gonna try doing that. Yes, it works. So if I cover the top of my screen, sometimes it works when I put it to my ear. It then the screen goes off because there is a proximity sensor at the top, and that's why the screen may be dark during a call. And now, how to fix it, you may ask. Well, fixing it is connected with removing obstacles from the top area of your phone. So, of course, the first step is to clean the top part of your phone. See, when I cover it, yeah, you can see the screen goes dark, right? So, yeah, removing obstacles. So first cleaning the area with a cloth. If it didn't help, then there is a very high chance that your screen protector that you're using on your phone may be broken around this area or may have a bubble underneath, and that may cause your proximity sensor not to work correctly. So I would recommend removing that screen protector and replacing it with a new non-broken one. And I think that may fix the issue. I think that it should help you by now. If it didn't, then the last thing that I would recommend is restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Then sliding to power off, waiting for 30 seconds, and then turning it on again after those 30 seconds by pressing and holding the side button. I think I waited too short. I'm gonna wait a bit longer. Now let's try. Yeah, it's there. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.